Hey everyone, Alex McCracken with Funeral Innovations back again with another episode about the difference between traditional and digital marketing. If you haven't seen the previous videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can get the ones we're about to put out, but you'll also be able to find the ones that we've already put out. So today, what I want to talk about is how you can get data and analytics with digital marketing. So with traditional marketing, let's say you got a billboard. What are the stats that they give you on that? Oh, well, about 10,000 people drive past this billboard a month, okay? That's the best data you're gonna get from it. You're gonna say, well, I'm gonna put up a billboard. I know 10,000 people drive by it, but that tells you nothing about the age of the people, the gender, what they care about. It gives you no data other than I hope 10,000 people go by it. Well, what happens if there's construction and they get rerouted? Well, how do you know how many people went by? They can't give you that data. Same thing with Yellow Pages. Maybe you put out Yellow Pages and they're saying, well, we distribute this to 10,000 people in the community. Okay, great. How many of those 10,000 people are using it like me to start their fires in their fireplace? Okay, doesn't mean they're actually looking at the Yellow Pages. So the data that you're getting on traditional marketing is I hope this works. The other part about this is you cannot track with traditional marketing. So what does that mean? If somebody sees your billboard and they come into your funeral home and utilize your services, are they saying, hey, I saw this great billboard? And you're like, great, well, I see my billboard's working. Well, that doesn't happen, right? We all know that. You put out a bunch of traditional marketing things and hope that by them just seeing your name and getting brand awareness that they're gonna come in and get you. Well, that is fundamentally at odds with the way that digital marketing works. With digital marketing, what we can do is we can put out a message and actually track data and analytics behind it. Okay, so what does that mean? We know exactly how many people are seeing that. And not only how many people are seeing it, we can look at different levels of them seeing it. Are they just seeing it? Do they rest their eyes upon it for half a second? Are they actually engaging with it? Are they interacting with it and taking a step further? Are they actually providing contact information saying, I want the funeral home to reach out to me? These are the types of data and analytics that you can get from a very high level, okay? But we can also look at this and say, how many people are actually coming into the funeral home? What I always tell people is when you're doing digital marketing, what you need to do is periodically look at the names of the families that you've served in your community and look at the people who you've been interacting with online and see if those people line up, okay? So you're gonna have information like who the name of the person is that's interacting with digital marketing, where do they come in from, what was their journey. You can figure out all this data and analytics about those people and match it up to what you're seeing in your funeral home and then gauge which one is going to be successful. So think about this when you're looking at your digital marketing. If somebody says, hey, I know I can just get you leads, how many leads? Okay, you have the power now. Don't just think about it as traditional marketing where you're saying, hey, I know I can get brand awareness. Go deeper. Brand awareness is inherent in any type of marketing, but with digital marketing, you can actually have data that backs up and allows you to see what is going to be successful or not. Thank you for your time. Again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos.